Welcome to Story Time. I welcome all the children to an enchanted world of stories. My name is Gauri and I am here to narrate the story, The Golden Bird. So sit back, relax and enjoy and turn on your listening ears. Once there lived a king. He had a beautiful golden bird. He kept the golden bird caged, but he took really good care of the bird. His servants fed the bird every day and also groomed its feathers. And in return, the bird sang a beautiful song every day. But after a few days, the king feels that it is not right to have the beautiful bird caged, so he decides to set the bird free. The king's servant takes the bird deep into the forest and sets him free. The bird hops out of the cage and comes out. He finds it strange to look out for food because he was always used to someone bringing food for him. Now, as he was looking out for food, suddenly he hears a crashing sound among the trees. It was the monkey. "Hoo, hoo, hoo," says the monkey and comes close to the bird. The monkey asks the bird, "Hello there. Who are you?" The bird replies, "I am the golden bird from the palace." The monkey says, "You must be new to the jungle. Let me help you find some tasty fruits in the treetop." The bird replies, "No, thank you. Look at you. You have such an awful face. I don't need your help." The monkey felt really hurt and he says, "Okay, have it your way." And he goes swinging from branch to branch. After a little while, the golden bird could feel a hissing noise in the bushes. It was the snake. The snake comes to the bird and asks, "Hello, bird. Who are you?" The golden bird replies, "I am the golden bird from the palace." The snake says, "The jungle is quite a maze. Let me help you and show you around the jungle." But the golden bird proudly says, "Oh, what an awful voice you have and you make such a hissing noise. You must be jealous of my beautiful voice. I sing such beautiful songs." "I don't need your help," says the golden bird. The snake just slithers and goes away. And after a while, the golden bird could feel the tree trunk behind him shaking. And guess what? It was a chameleon. The chameleon comes to the bird and says, "Hello, golden bird. I heard you talking with the monkey and the snake. The jungle is quite a dangerous place. Come with me. I will tell you how to stay safe." The golden bird once again proudly says, "I used to live in the palace and I am so beautiful. I don't need your help. You look so awful." The chameleon just darts away and says, "Okay, don't tell me I did not warn you." Now, as the bird was just settling down, suddenly he feels a grey shadow passing on top of him. And who was that? It was an eagle. An eagle was looking out for prey. Sensing danger, the monkey immediately swings from branch to branch and hides himself high on the treetop. The snake slithers away deep into the bushes. The chameleon stays still, However, he had the ability to merge himself along with the tree trunk. He could camouflage himself. But the bird thinks, oh, I have wings. I can just fly and go hide myself somewhere. And he starts flapping his wings. But guess what? He could not fly. His wings had grown very weak since he was in a cage for quite some time. He tries hard, but he was not able to fly. The eagle was approaching at him really very fast. The golden bird gets really very scared and starts shouting for help. Help! Somebody please help me! Please somebody help me! The eagle is coming! Immediately, he could feel something like a rope pull him under the bushes. And who was that? It was the snake. Then he felt a long hairy arm pull him high on the treetop. It was the monkey. And then the chameleon led him to a yellow flower and asked him to stay still so that he could get camouflaged along with the yellow flower. The eagle came straight past him but could not spot the golden bird. And he goes away. The golden bird realizes his mistake and he apologizes. Sorry and thank you very much for saving me, friends. I was so rude with you all. But in spite of that, you all came and helped me and saved me from the eagle. I'm not sure how I'm ever going to repay you all. The monkey, the snake and the chameleon were really very kind. They just smile and say, we are glad we were able to help you, golden bird, and we are glad that you learned your lesson. You can repay us in a way. Just sing a beautiful song for us every day. The golden bird is very happy to hear this. And guess what? They all become best friends forever. So children, I hope you all got the message from the story. Always be kind and use polite words with others. And just because you are beautiful or you have a special talent, that does not grant you the freedom to mock at others. Try to help others as much as possible. So I hope you all enjoyed my story. As an extension activity, this time I would like to make it interactive. So here is a question for the week. In the story that I narrated, there is a creature that can change its color or camouflage itself. Name that creature. Thank you. See you all next time.